Winter storm warning in effect from 7 p.m. this evening to 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time Saturday for the greater Portland and Vancouver metro area. Snow is expected. Widespread snow accumulations of 2 to 4 inches is expected. Localized accumulations of 4 to 6 inches are possible, especially in the hills above 1,000 feet in elevation, near the Columbia River Gorge, as well as northern portions of Clark County in southwest Washington. Precipitation may start as a brief period of rain or a rain and snow mix before changing to all snow later this evening. Plan on snow and ice-covered roads tonight and Saturday. Travel conditions will deteriorate quickly tonight as temperatures fall below freezing. There is a small chance freezing may occur before this evening's commute is over, especially east of the Interstate 205 corridor. Do not travel unless it is absolutely necessary. If you must travel, keep a flashlight and a supply of food and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Winter storm warning remains in effect from 7 p.m. this evening to 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time Tuesday for the Northern Oregon Cascades, Northern Oregon Cascade Foothills, and Western Oregon Cascade Foothills in Lane County. Heavy snow is expected. Total snow accumulations of 2 to 5 inches in the foothills below 1,500 feet and 8 to 15 inches in the foothills between 1,500 and 2,500 feet. Total snow accumulation of 2 to 5 feet in the Cascades above 2,500 feet. Travel will be very difficult to impossible at times due to heavy snow and occasional whiteout conditions. If you must travel, keep an extra supply of food, water, and a flashlight with you in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The U.S. National Weather Service in Medford, Oregon, has issued a winter storm warning and a winter weather advisory for southern Oregon, including Crater Lake National Park. Current forecasts are predicting up to 25 inches of new snow to fall through Saturday with an additional winter storm moving into the area late Sunday. If you are planning to travel during the storm, be sure to keep tire chains that fit your vehicle, a shovel, flashlight, blankets, food, water, medications, and a fully charged phone with you. Keep in mind that phone reception in the area is very limited. Drivers should expect periods of snow to cause travel difficulties.
Winter storm warning in effect from 7 p.m. this evening to 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time Tuesday for the Northern Oregon Cascades, Northern Oregon Cascade Foothills, and Western Oregon Cascade Foothills in Lane County. Heavy snow is expected. Total snow accumulations of 2 to 5 inches in the foothills below 1,500 feet and 8 to 15 inches in the foothills between 1,500 and 2,500 feet. Total snow accumulation of 2 to 5 feet in the Cascades above 2,500 feet. Travel will be very difficult to impossible at times due to heavy snow and occasional whiteout conditions. If you must travel, keep an extra supply of food and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency.
Winter storm warning in effect from 7 p.m. this evening to 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time Tuesday for the Northern Oregon Cascades, Northern Oregon Cascade Foothills, and Western Oregon Cascade Foothills in Lane County. Winter storm warning in effect from midnight tonight to 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time Monday for the central Willamette Valley. Heavy snow is expected. Rain will increase later this evening, then change over to snow between midnight and 3 a.m. Total snow accumulations of 2 to 4 inches expected, but could see up to 6 inches on higher hills, such as the Turner Hills and Eola Hills. Travel could be very difficult at times, and snow will impact the Monday morning commute. A winter storm warning for snow means severe winter weather conditions will make travel very hazardous or impossible. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511.
Winter storm warning in effect from 10 p.m. this evening to 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time Monday for the South Willamette Valley, including the cities of Eugene, Springfield, Corvallis, and Albany. Heavy snow expected. Rain will increase this evening, then change over to snow between 11 p.m. and 2 a.m. Total snow accumulations of 2 to 4 inches expected, but could see up to 6 inches on higher hills such as Eugene South Hills and the hills to west of Oregon State Highway 99W. Travel could be very difficult at times, and snow will impact the Monday morning commute. A winter storm warning for snow means severe winter weather conditions will make travel very hazardous or impossible. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511.